Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, December 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, I still think this is an ABC forming right here, and I think this is going to be an ABC of Y, which is all part of this WXY pattern, which I do believe is going to go up right around these highs, most likely right around the 161, 178 area to finish off the wave C of wave Y, which this should be an ABC of Y. So let's head down to that weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think it's very clear this is an A. I think this is a WXY, which is a wave B. I think we're now in a wave 3, and I think on these higher time frames that it is going to continue to go up to make this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, which I think is a wave C of wave Y, just like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame, as you can see, we are definitely making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We are definitely in an uptrend, and I think on this higher time frame, like the daily and up, this is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up, which tells me that my primary goal is definitely to continue to look for longs in an uptrend. So let's head down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we do have a little bit of a double top right here, and we are starting to go into a holiday week pretty soon, so I wouldn't be surprised at all if it did go into a big pullback, maybe end up looking something like that. But with the fact that we have the end of a crescent on such a higher time frame, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it just kept on making nice higher highs and nice higher lows. So, like I said, I am definitely primarily looking for longs. If it does turn down and break structure, I mean, that's going to tell us that we're probably going to make a bigger crescent, which potentially, scalpers could be looking for shorts at that point. But at this point, I think the best bet until we get that bigger structure to the downside is to continue to look for long entries on shorter time frames. We had a nice ABC correction last night in the Asian session, and I do think there is a very good likelihood that this, like I said, could go down and make a bigger, proper ABC correction like I was showing on the 4-hour time frame. But I definitely wouldn't count on that, and I definitely wouldn't go short. I would instead either wait for the correction, or I would be looking for smaller corrections, because this very easily could just keep on making higher highs, higher lows, especially with the fact that it looks like we had the end of a crescent on the weekly, monthly, and daily. I think there's a chance that this thing could just keep on going up and could just keep on making those higher highs, higher lows. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.